Today I am going to be making a model workbench, and I'm using these lollipop sticks for this project. I clamped together a good bundle, and then put them in the vise. Then I scored a line on the end, and cut them out with the coping saw. Pretty much all of my cuts are done with the coping saw or the handheld miter saw in this project. Then to square up the edges, I took a sanding disc and my drill and just sanded over the top of them. I then cut the other end as well, and sanded those. Not all of the pieces have turned out great, so I put those to one side. I'll use them for something smaller later. These three pieces are going to make up the top of the model bench, so I laid them out how I wanted them to be. These are two little braces, and these are going to go on the underside to hold them together. So I applied some glue. Hopefully these should be strong enough just to hold everything in place. The miter saw was then used to cut the legs, and they got all taped up so I could cut more at once. The legs are going to be stacked 4 deep. 4 lollipop sticks deep, if that makes sense. So I put glue onto 3 of them. Stuck them together. And then put a clamp on them. Then I just followed the same process for the others. I have put a piece of grease-proof paper down so they don't get stuck to the bench as well. Then I glued on the legs. I put a dollop of glue on the greaseproof paper and just dabbed them into it, and then just position them how I wanted them. To clamp the legs, I just put in these blocks here to stop the legs from tipping either side until the glue has set. Then I cut these, and these are going to be some braces. And these got glued on too. I'm using wood Gorilla Glue for this whole project. And I'll put a link to that glue in the video description. These got clamped in place too. I wanted to put some things on the top, so I've got this little piece of 5mm plywood, pretty small. But if you put it on there, it kind of looks like they are working with a piece of plywood, so that looks cool. And I've also found this little piece of mahogany, which is an offcut, and it's quite thin, so if I put that on there, it looks like they are working with a big plank of wood. But I'm just going to leave that there. Thank you so much for watching how I made this little model workbench. I am just absolutely obsessed with it, and I just think it's really, really sweet. If you would like to try that project, I will put a link to these lollipop sticks or something similar down in the video description below. Now unfortunately up here in Scotland these schools are going back next week, which will impact how frequently I can get videos out to you. I'd say I'll probably only be able to get videos out to you once a week, so I'm just warning you of that in case you miss me drastically. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have liked the video, please hit that subscribe button and throw in a like if you really want to. Okay, thanks, and I'll see you on my next video.